So I'm right here with the Poulan, and I've had a lot of comments put a gas pedal on it. And it just so happens I have this, I believe it was a brake pedal off of a Harley. I got it for free at a yard sale, and I want to put it right about here and turn it into a gas pedal. I've been wanting a gas pedal for a long time now. So I'm going to drill a hole, I'm going to put the bolt in, then we'll get a cable, run it to the carburetor, and we'll be hitting the gas. Gotta go slightly bigger. Or no, perfect. Gas pedal update. I just came back from the store and bought this nut, 1/2 inch fine thread. I've got a lock nut, I've got a flat washer, and I've got a nut spacer. Maybe I'll do the flat washer on this side. So I was just walking around the garage and I found this pretty silver spring. It's going to work out just right. And so now the gas pedal is in place. The nut is tight. The spring is on. As soon as we get a cable, I may go look around on the bicycle, see if I can find a cable that wants to be used. And I found a car alarm. I think I might put it on here. I've got a push button, but for now I might put it on where the key switch turns the lights on. Could now be the key switch turns the car alarm on. Now the good news on the car alarm, there are 2 existing bolt holes. All I gotta do is put the 2 bolts in. They're in my hand, and the wires that used to go to the headlights are right here. It's like it's made for it. So on the gas pedal we are halfway. We've got it mounted. Springs on there. All it needs is the cable. As for the alarm, I had to switch sides. It's not on that side, it is on this side. There it is. And when you start it up and turn it back to headlight position, I'll let you hear it. So I've got some convoluted tube here. I'm going to try to make the winch install a little more professional looking. Maybe take that short piece off. This came off of a washer. I'm going to put it on. I've got some zip ties. I'll be right back with you. Now that the car alarm / horn is on the Poulan, and I'm stalling trying to find a cable to run the throttle, I'm going to go back to the LED bar. I'm going to put a fuse in the line, rewire it with this fuse, you know, just in case. LED wiring update. There is a zip tie holding a fuse in place here. We come down, this black wire goes into this convoluted tube, down to this tube, and back up to the front. Wiring is done. Throttle, still not done. I'm gonna work on that right now. So I've got this cable. This looks like what you'd use for a choke, but it was actually for manual cutouts on my V8 S10. Sold the S10, cutouts go with it. Never used the cable. This is what we're going to use for the gas cable, the throttle, the pedal. Gas pedal update. I just took the running board off so I can get access to this area better. I drilled a hole in the stack bracket. That's going to hold my cable. I've got this conduit strap. It's going to go right to that hole there. It's going to be pinned in. Pretty much now just putting it all back together. I'm going to have to drill a hole in the running board for the cable to go through. But we are getting close. So to get the governor linkage off, you got to take the carburetor off anyway. I decided to pop it open. And on the inside, yeah, I'm glad we popped it open. It's a little bit disgusting. Anyway, we'll clean it up, put it back together, and then it should run even better. So the clean carburetor is back together, it's bolted on, everything's tight. I've got this is the throttle linkage, and the good news is the choke still works. So now we'll bolt the air filter back on, fire it up, and see how it does. So the gas pedal still needs a little bit of fine tuning, but I'm loving it. When you're in the mud, you need a little extra go. Give it that gas and it will go. Well, you saw it. Make sure you like, share, comment, and if you've not subscribed, hit it.